Okay, let's take a walk around the side to Bryggen. Just took a few photographs for the website. My fingers are freezing, so it's not it's not pleasant, that's for sure. When you come to Bergen, if you're coming in the winter time, you definitely need different layers. I know people say that, but you need layers and layers and layers. So have a thin cotton long sleeve as your base layer, maybe a t-shirt over that, then a thin jumper, maybe a fleece or a hoodie, and then a decent thick jacket over that, because then you can take the jacket off, the hoodie off, and then the other layer off if you need to. Then when you come back out in the cold, it's not too cold, then put everything back on. This is the church has just been renovated, so around the outside it's really nice. There was some boards up there for quite a while and it was terrible. It was covered in graffiti and it was awful. They're taking it down now and it looks really cool. We'll take a walk around the corner now. We'll go down Bryggen so you can see. I'll stay on this opposite side of the road so you get a better view of what it's like over there. And that's the way. If you go up the road there, that goes to the bottom of Fløyen. It takes you up to the Fløyen at the top. So this is the side of Mr. Bryggen. Basically it starts here and goes along. That's where we've just been, so we walked across there, just over to this pot here. But that's the best place to photograph, it's just over there. Here, so that's where we were just a minute ago. In the summer, this is full of boats. They come in, they park up for 2 or 3 months during the summer. And then May the 17th, which is Norwegian's National Day, I'll do a separate video that day. But it's one of the greatest things ever. It's like St. Patrick's Day in Ireland. They really do celebrate it. They have a good time. Everywhere's closed. The water bars are open. To try and get a seat or a table, you need to book way in advance. But there's a parade. They shut down the whole city. There's a huge parade. It's fantastic. It's one of the best things you'll ever see. That's on the 17th of May. So here we are now. And you can see. Sure, just turn here. You can see now the famous Bryggen through here. So Julehuset on the corner there, so Christmas shop that's all year round. That's the famous Bryggen. That's the other side where we've just been. Taking a little walk. You see in front of this is a ship. That's the one you can take out. You can rent it. Well, sorry, you can rent a place on there. So it goes out quite often. And yeah, there's a lot of companies that rent it for their, staff parties and things like that. But you can actually just jump on it and you go out for a meal and things like that. It's quite nice. A 3-4 hour trip, I think it is. I can't remember. But it's really cool. And then I'll just take a. So you see, this is Bryggen there. Back towards, that's Mantle Rican at the top, you see in the background. It's very quiet down here today. Normally along this front here, there's a few bars there, a bar there, some more bars on the other side. They have tables outside, so it's quite big in the summer. It's crazy. You can't walk on that side of the road. everyone's enjoying themselves and enjoying life, and that's really cool. So I'm not going to cross over because if you get too close, so you can't really see much. Just behind, just in there, in that gap there, that's the Radisson Hotel. So you go around the corner to the Radisson, but it's set back, so the whole building's behind Bryggen. But this is Bryggen. This is Bergen. All its beautiful glory. It's a beautiful day today for being out and sightseeing. Walk a little bit further before my hands fall off. So this is basically, that's the Stadstrand, the ship I was on about. It's quite cool. So basically, if you come in, most American tourists, most of the big cruise ships come in just on the back of that. So if you just turn right and walk down the road, you'll come straight to here. And this is the main tourist area, the Radisson Hotel there, and then you get the whole of the Bryggen basically. You can see that. So this is Bryggen. Bergen Bryggen here, they do some fantastic chillings by the cakes and that. It's really nice with the coffee in the stop. And this is the whole of Bergen. The sun's glowing a little bit, but yeah. Oh, it's just a brief look at Bryggen. I'll obviously do a better one soon. I'm going to go behind Bryggen and take some video and some footage and some pictures and show you where the museums are and things like that, and some of the other touristy areas are. But it's just gives you a quick idea. You can just see up there now, you can just see Fløyen topping up there, which is quite cool. Just behind everyone. But yeah, this is a quick video, so have a good day. Please like and subscribe. We've hit 35 subscribers. I'm quite happy with that, but people are starting to watch the videos. We're getting 500 to 1,000 views now on the videos, which is quite nice. But it bumps the website up on Google, and the website is best viewed on the laptop because you can see more of the pictures and images and things like that.